How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, we're back on the Dakota today. It's probably going to be a shorter video, but as you can tell, I'm doing an oil change on it. And I normally try to keep my oil changes between every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, and it is due for one, so we're going to knock that out today. And I guess I'll just show you guys the process, so let's get to work. So I'm sure everybody has a different preference on what oil to use, but I personally use Quaker State. My truck calls for 10W30, has 95,000 miles, and I've done multiple oil changes on this truck and never had a problem with it. I personally like Quaker State. My grandpap used it, my dad used it, and now I'm using it. And it's been working good for me so far, no complaints. So I'm gonna throw on the oil filter. I personally like to dip my finger in the old oil and go around the gasket on there before I put it on. And I'm also gonna fill it up a little bit since the filter goes on from the bottom of the motor instead of on the side. Just helps cycle the new oil through a little better, pre-filling it before you put it on. So I'm gonna get right to work installing the new filter, and then I'll fill up the truck with the new oil. So the oil's all changed, but before I'd like to verify 100% that it's ready to go. I like to start the truck after I change it and let it run for a few minutes, check for any leaks, check the oil level on the dipstick, and then I verify that it's 100%. So I'm gonna give it a start up right now, nice little cold start, and then we'll check the oil level. Sure if you guys could tell on that dipstick or not, but ended up filling it up perfectly. It's getting a little dark on me here. Lost track of time, went inside to eat dinner and came back out after I finished the oil change and closed up shop, hood's shut, truck's all done. I ended up washing it off camera just to clean it up because it's been a while since I cleaned it. But I think I'm just gonna end the video here. A little shorter than usual, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got a bunch of other cool videos in the lineup. More exciting things than just a simple oil change. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up and leave a comment. And go follow our Instagram. I'll leave the handle down below. And make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. But I think I'm just going to sign off with the usual, and maybe my brother will be in the next video. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you in the next one.